Hello guys, in this video we will explain the solution to the sound problem during calls. It is a very simple method that does not contain any programs. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is that we will reset the settings of the calling application on our phone to the default settings. How is that done in this way? The first step we do is go to the settings. Then we go to the applications. Then we go to the applications again. After that, we click on the three dots above us. Then we click on Show System Processes to show the default system applications. After that, we go back and search for the original calling application on our phone among the applications here. After that, we click on it. Then we click on Storage. After that, we click on Clear Data, and do not worry. It will not delete anything or any number from your phone. We will clear the data and reset it to the default settings only. After that, we go back and click on the three small dots above us. After that, we click on Reset Preferences Applications, then we reset the default applications to the default settings, and thus the problem will be solved. After that, you restart my phone. It is necessary to do this step, and God willing, the problem will be solved. This was the topic of today. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.